One of the easiest things for newlywed couples to lose is the strong connection they experienced while dating. Now, thoughtful listen questions that ensure both partners feel heard during big as well as small moments are usually what create such a strong connection. And it happens naturally when couples first fall in love. That is why we strongly recommend asking each other the following 4 essential listen questions every evening or every other evening. Number 1, what are 2 things that happened during your day? Number 2, describe 2 emotions that you experienced today. Number 3, what would make tomorrow a better day than today? And number 4, how can I be there for you? You may notice that the first question focuses on information, the second question asks about emotions, while the third question is solution driven, and the fourth question starts to conclude the conversation. Try these 4 powerful listen questions every evening or every other evening. Give each other enough time to answer, simply listen, and continue to enjoy a strong connection. More about this on our website.